Park in northwest Santa Rosa. Well, today I'm going to show you inside the neighborhood's newest listing. This property is right behind me. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's starting to sprinkle outside, but it's still beautiful out. But let's go take a look inside the property. So just want to show you this quick street view before we go inside. So as many of you know, most of Coffey Park was completely taken out by the 2017 Tubbs fire, but this road was actually not burned down. It was just west enough where it actually dodged the fires. So this house is not brand new. It was built in the 90s, but just wanted to show you that before we go inside. And also before we start this tour, just want to show you a few clips of what happened in 2017. So here's a clip of what Coffey Park used to look like before the fires. And here's what happened after the fire hit. I mean, pretty much every single house in this neighborhood was toast. I mean, it looked like a nuclear bomb went off. It was pretty scary. But the amazing thing about Coffey Park is how quickly it has rebuilt. I mean, it is almost 100% rebuilt at this point. And just the sense of community in Coffey Park is some of the best in Santa Rosa because everyone went through it together, and so now it is just an absolutely stunning neighborhood. So as we walk in here, we are greeted by this nice little sitting area right in the front here. Got plenty of natural light. One of the really great things that I really like about this property is you got these 20-foot ceilings. As soon as you walk in, makes the room feel super big. But as we hook a left here, you'll notice we have a bedroom/office here on the first floor. Good for someone in the family who wants a little bit more privacy from the other bedrooms, or if you have an older family member who doesn't want to go up and down the stairs all the time, it's also really nice for them. Got the full bath here, as well as the coat closet. As we swing back this way, give you another view of the front entryway here. Also have the dining room here. And before we go into the kitchen and the living room, let me take you guys upstairs and I'll tell you a little bit more about the specs of the property. This property is a 4-bed, 3-bath, just under 2,100 square feet, was built in 1993 and is currently listed for $849,000. So as far as pricing within Coffey Park, last year the median close price was $757,000. Now compare that to 2023, this year the median close price within Coffey Park, $769,000. So a little bit more than last year, but keep in mind this is only 2 months worth of data for this year, but it's just something to be aware of moving forward. Now we move into the master bath. You got the built-in bathtub, as well as the stand-up shower stall, private room for the toilet, and walk-in closet. Let's swing back around to the master here, give you another view of these vaulted ceilings here. Gives a nice big feel of the room. But let's go check out the rest of the bedrooms. So you have the hall bath here, full bath with the dual vanity. And over here we have the other 2 bedrooms. Bedroom 1 and bedroom 2 over here. As we come back to the hall, get a nice view of the first floor and this guy walking his dog. But let's make our way down to the stairs, back down to the first floor. And as we come down the stairs, before we hit the kitchen and the living room and backyard, I'm just going to show you the laundry room here. So hookups in this room, washer dryer not included, but just the hookups in that room. And then you have the finished 2-car garage. Lots of storage space, and there's also storage space in that door. Forgot to go in there. But here's another clip of the dining area, and now we have the quartz island in front of us. You got the subway tile backsplash as well as all stainless steel appliances. Here we have our little breakfast nook, and here's our living room with the gas fireplace, with the matching backsplash from the kitchen around the fireplace. I just noticed that. And let's swing into the backyard. We have this patio area here. So a little bit of decking. And then let me bring you guys out along the backyard so you can get a better view of the house and the size back here. You do have a shed for some extra storage. And then that door leads to the garage. But let's bring it around this way so you guys get a better view of the backyard here. So better view of the stucco exterior here on the back of the house. This home does come with AC. And let me take you guys back inside. And that wraps up today's property tour in Coffey Park in Northwest Santa Rosa. If you have any questions about the property or the neighborhood, feel free to shoot me a call or give me a text. I'm happy to answer them. I'll leave all my info in the description below. Also, if you like these property tours, please subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you guys at the next house.